Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are making slime and we're colouring it blue. So I hope you enjoy the video. Give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. So today we're using clear elmer's glue, some magical liquid, still elmers, and some blue food colouring. So I'm just going to add the glue in first, maybe not all of it but some. So now I'm going to add in the blue food colouring to the glue and I'm going to stir. I'm going to get really nice colour. Now I'm going to add a little bit at a time of magical elmer's liquid to activate it. That's enough and I'll stir it. Gonna add a little bit more. So I'm just mixing. I've been gradually adding some magical liquid and it's starting to come together. So guys, the slime is ready. Now I'm going to take it out and show you guys and I'll play with it now. So this is the end result. It turned out to be really good slime. I love the colour and in a second we'll add some beads to make it crunchy slime. So I put all the beads in. Now we're just going to fold them in and play. So I put some bigger beads in and I'm going to mix crunchy slime. So this slime is really good. It's really stretchy. It's got all sorts of sizes, coloured beads in, and it's really fun to play with. You should really try this at home one day. So thanks for watching guys. Remember to subscribe down below and give a big thumbs up. Hope you enjoyed my slime video and see you next time.